Hello, my dear friends, listening to the whole universe. I hope everything is fine. I'm Russian and who brings well with the mall experience, and we are in the Dream Island theme park. Yes, you maybe remember it. It is the place when I do lectures. I mean that I listen to the lectures, to some conferences, to some forums from my university through the Zoom or other apps on my phone. Because you understand, right now it is kind of coronavirus, COVID-19, COVID-20, 21, 22 times, and need to connect with distance lectures and distance exercises. What's the name of it? Practices and things, and need to connect through the phones sometimes, not through the real life things. And it's one of the good theme parks and shopping malls when you can do this with a good Wi-Fi in Russia and without kind of issues with stuff that we have here, stuff in terms of STAFF. Okay, and we are here today. We were listening to the practices. I mean, we had the conference, kind of set up conference in my university about the projects, about the pedagogy project that we do. I do actually a constructed languages website. What do I mean by it? It is, we have the website, I imagine, yes, we have the website, and I create the constructor inside of it, where you can create your own constructed languages, artificial languages. For example, Elvish, Gnomish, Orcish, or maybe it could be Goblinish or something like this. And I do this for the people, for the students. It means that it's a project that is specifically made for the people who are students. And not only students, but actually we kind of do the for the work, my master's degree. It is like a product that I do project, and there I mentioned that it could be used by students in the schools of Russia, and the approach that inside of this thing, inside of this website, made I imagine you are a person who creates languages, your own languages, like Elvish, Orcish, or like this statue-ish, yes, statue lionish, and you create your own languages, and through doing it, actually, you can improve your own languages too. Russian and English and French and Spanish, Indonesian, Malaysian, Urdu and Arabic and others. You can improve. Why? Because you improve your meta competences, meta language competences. What do I mean by it? Because you understand, we have grammar in different languages. For example, we have nouns, we have verbs, we have adjectives, we have objects, we have actions, we have different types of things in different languages. And when you create your own language, you kind of think about it more. It is like you can think about how to draw pictures, or you can think about how to draw hieroglyphs. And it is if you know how to draw hieroglyphs, then you will be better at learning Chinese, for example, or Japanese, for example, too. And if you know how Cyrillic alphabet looks like, you can learn Cyrillic languages. If you know how Latin alphabet looks like, then you will be better, a little bit better. You will have the advantages to learn Latin-like languages if you are not native Latin-like alphabet language speaker. I mean that your language is not with an alphabet of Latin. Yes, you are maybe Russian and you are kind of, oh geez, Latin, how to do that, how to understand it, and or maybe you are Japanese and you look at the Latin and oh Jesus Christ, and I think that you understand. And by constructing your own languages, you can improve it. Also, you improve your understanding of the grammar, different types of cases, like in Russia we have падеж, actually it is called, or maybe passive voice, active voice. You understand better plural forms and singular forms, how they are constructed, different types of affixes, postfixes, prefixes, infixes and suffixes. You understand them better. Stems, you understand them better. Endings, different types of vowels and consonants, and different types of situations when you can use your language, and different types of hydronyms, toponyms, macro toponyms, and also coronyms, and cryptonyms, and pseudonyms, and antonyms, synonyms, and things of this nature. No, onyms, you understand them better. And when you create your own languages, it is like you will be better at linguistics. And if you construct your own languages, and if you do so, then you will be better at linguistics, and then you will be better at learning languages too. It is the same as you are a painter and you paint every day, and you paint every day, but you don't actually think that you kind of paint. But actually, when you go and somebody will ask you, oh, can you draw me? And you will be kind of better than a person who didn't draw any. Okay, I think that anything, and I hope that you understand. So I will go right now home. I will go outside, and first of all I will go to some store, and after that I will go away from this place. So thank you a lot for watching. Hope that you enjoyed a little bit my talk about the practice. And practice, actually, what we do right now, what we are talking, it is the results that we should have on the end day of our practices in the university, and I will accomplish it, and everything will be fine. So thank you a lot for watching. Professor Deli. I will go to meeting today, and I think that it will be nice. See you next time, Professor Deli. You're a nice guy. Okay, bye.